can see there. Welcome to the new studio. This is where we're going to be making our videos. Stay tuned. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. Let's get to it. Okay, so we got this box from Kiwico. Mark Rober, I saw one of his videos and he has some like creative toys. So let's open it up. Go. Be careful. Go. Box number 1. Box numero 2. Okay. Box number 3. We got this. Physics. Let's start with the first box. Okay, so this is what we got. Connect with us. Tinker Zone. Okay, got some books. Wow, this is a lot of stuff. We got this. I think that's markers. Cardboard. Instructions paper. Okay, let's see what let's see the blueprint. It's a spin art machine. Oh, look at the picture. That looks so cool. Okay, let's move on to the second box. Give me it. Give me it. Thank you. So, we got a hand crank flashlight. No batteries included. You just get the little thingy and you turn it around and then voila, some light comes out. This is really cool. It says build it yourself for ages 12. I don't know, this looks really hard, but I'm ages 8, so I can do it quickly. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, we're moving on to the third box, the finale. Oh, look at this. It's a light-chasing robot. So you get a laser, and then the turtle chases it. Because you see it has some wheels. Okay, it says ages 8. Just like me, it says ages 8. And I'm gonna be really excited to build one of these. It's gonna be really fun. I'm gonna build it with my dad. And yeah. Okay. Now that we're done, I'm gonna be talking about our sponsor today. Okay, guys. Now that we're done with all of that, I'm gonna have to tell you to subscribe, like all my videos. If you want to see the final product, go to my Instagram and check me out so you can see what I have there. That's where I'll put it. So, I'll catch you next time. Bye!